YouTube Shorts Affiliate Marketing Secret Revealed 2025. YouTube Shorts Affiliate Marketing Secret Revealed 2025. Join me as I dive into the world of YouTube Shorts and try to uncover the secret to making money with affiliate marketing in 2025. In the world of online marketing, affiliate marketing has been a proven way to earn passive income, and with the rise of YouTube Shorts, it's no surprise that creators are looking to capitalize on this trend. But what exactly is affiliate marketing, and how can it be leveraged on YouTube Shorts? Many of us have tried to make a killing with affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts, but we've been met with disappointment and frustration. We've been told that it's all about the clicks, the views, and the conversions. But somehow, no matter how hard we try, we just can't seem to crack the code. We've been led to believe that affiliate marketing is only for the big-time creators with millions of followers, or that it's only for those who are willing to spend a small fortune on ads. We've been stuck in a rut, trying the same old strategies that just aren't working. And it's easy to get discouraged when we see others raking it in while we're struggling to make ends meet. Some of us have even given up, convinced that affiliate marketing just isn't for us. But what if I told you that all of that is about to change? The truth is, affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts isn't about the views, the clicks, or even the conversions. It's about understanding your audience, building trust, and providing value. It's about being authentic, being transparent, and being honest with your audience. And most importantly, it's about finding the right strategy that works for you, not against you. So, what are some effective strategies that can help you overcome the challenges of affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts? First, you need to focus on building a loyal community of viewers who trust you and respect your opinion. This means creating content that resonates with your audience, content that solves their problems, and content that entertains and educates them. Another crucial strategy is to choose the right products to promote, products that align with your values, products that you believe in, and products that your audience will love. You need to be selective about the products you promote, and you need to make sure that you're not sacrificing your integrity for the sake of a quick buck. Additionally, you need to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. This means using the right keywords, the right tags, and the right thumbnails. You need to make sure that your videos are standing out from the crowd and that they're attracting the right audience. Finally, you need to track your results, analyze your data, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This means using the right tools, the right software, and the right analytics to track your progress, to identify areas for improvement, and to refine your approach. But here's the thing, all of these strategies, tips, and tools are just a small part of the puzzle. There's something more, something that can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, something that can give you that competitive edge, and that's where the secret comes in, the secret that I'm about to reveal to you. The secret to making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts is to focus on building a relationship with your audience, to focus on providing value, and to focus on being authentic. It's about being transparent, being honest, and being vulnerable. It's about being human, and it's about being relatable. The secret is to focus on the people, not the profits. It's about understanding that your audience is made up of real people, with real problems and real needs. It's about understanding that your job as a creator is to serve your audience, not to sell to them. The secret is to focus on the long game, not the short game. It's about building a sustainable business, a business that's based on trust, loyalty, and relationships. It's about building a business that's going to last, not just a quick fix. So there you have it. The secret to making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts. By focusing on building relationships, providing value, and being authentic, you can overcome the challenges, you can maximize your earnings, and you can achieve success. In conclusion, YouTube Shorts presents a massive opportunity for affiliate marketers, and by following the strategies, tips, and tools that I've shared with you today, you can unlock your full potential and achieve success in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your thoughts on affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts? Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to dominate the world of affiliate marketing.